Today is more peaceful. Today is more peaceful. I did a little bit of light cooking again today. So, okay. Because, I have the home cooking group and I like to share my love of recipes with my network because it's something that everybody can talk about and you don't have to. Music is too, really. You don't have to have a political leaning to enjoy eating food, right? Unless, like, I'm not going to eat meat or I'm going to be a pescatarian or whatever it is. Well, this is something that I guess if you're a pescatarian, you could be down with it. All right, so here's what I got. Well, part of it, right? So I do have like two pieces of a chicken quesadilla that I made yesterday, but I just took some French bread and toasted it. And here's what I've got here. This is what I've got. So my mom gave me some canned salmon. I took it with a couple of eggs. I've got cucumber, mayonnaise, onion, a little bit of pickle, and I've made it into something that I can like spread across the top of this bread with like some salt and pepper. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it worked. See if I did all right, and check that out. I had another hit piece dropped against me this morning. He stalks my channel. He likes to watch all of my content. I'm not going to drop your name this time, but I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I don't know why you claim that you're on the same side as me, which is the same fucking thing that Autumn Sword did. But you're not. You are regularly tearing people down. Right? You're regularly tearing people down on a daily basis. And I'm not a part of this ecosystem. So I don't know why you keep dragging me into it other than I got dragged over to you through Autumn Sword, which makes me think that the two of you are in cahoots. And based on the fact that you are unwilling to hear any reason whatsoever and just make up all this bullshit conspiracy theory against people, specifically me, makes me think that you're full of shit. So I don't know what to tell you, but if you don't like what I'm saying on social media, then just fucking stop watching. Holy crap, even. Politics is so weird, you guys. Politics is so weird with the amount of like smear campaigns and bullshit. By the way, okay, so I use a Samsung Galaxy. When you live stream from a Samsung Galaxy, it automatically flips the image. And as far as I know, perhaps I'm not technically savvy enough to figure out how to flip the image, and I don't have the programs to do it. So this is my option, that when I live stream from my phone, the image will be reversed. Perhaps in the next generation phone that I get, that won't happen anymore. I understand the iPhones don't do that anymore, but the Droid-based programs still do. So, and my phone's about 2 or 3 years old now. So it needs to be replaced. But I'm also unemployed, so I can't really afford to replace it yet. This is what I got. This is what I work with. I'm so sick of people just trying to like character assassinate everybody around them for the most ridiculous, asinine reasons. It's really fucking stupid that people need to like weigh in on things that do not pertain to them at all. Anyway, we ran a background check last night, and it turns out that my house guest actually owns a house in New York, and her financial situation wasn't even close to what she was portraying it to be. She came in here, she destroyed my property. I don't know what's going on with her. I don't know if she did that on purpose just to fuck with me, or if she truly has some sort of personality disorder or like mental issues or whatever, but I am not in a place, I am not equipped to take care of her. And hopefully she was able to somehow make arrangements very quickly when I put her in a position where she had to do something about it. She was able to make arrangements very quickly. So the fact that she had not made arrangements tells me that she was doing that on purpose, because she was able to figure something out very quickly when I was like, Oh, you went outside? Okay, I'll close the garage door. Yeah, get out. Um, she also had made a comment a few weeks ago about how she's a trust fund baby. She did make a comment about that. So the idea that I'm somehow, these, oh, that's right, I'm doing towels. I'm like, oh my God, what's happening in the back of my condo? That's right, I'm washing the towels that she left all over the floor. I totally forgot that I stuck those in there. I threw out all the bedding. It was my bedding. I'm allowed to do that. That was my bedding that she was soiling. The mattress will have to be thrown out too. But I threw out the bedding and the pillows because that was all mine. And I am washing my towels that she had scattered all over the floor. Other than that, I'm not really touching anything. I'm not touching anything. Because the sheriff said that if I touch anything, I could potentially be accused of theft, which is some bullshit. She literally stole a laptop on her way out, but I also texted her and said that she has like 30 days to get her stuff or I'm throwing it out. And no, I don't owe you any, prorated amount for the month because you destroyed my property. I have to throw out a bed because of you. I have to throw out a mattress and all of my bedding because of you. So no, I don't owe you shit. Quite frankly, you owe me money, but I'm not going to pursue it.